Hi, my name is Brittany Partridge, and I'm an attorney at Butler Kahn. Oftentimes when we think of a personal injury, we think about the physical injury somebody sustains. Whether that be a broken leg, a broken back, cuts, bruises, whatever it may be, that's oftentimes what we think about. But in a lot of cases, there's also a mental injury that goes alongside of that physical injury. And so when asked, can you sue for a mental illness caused by a personal injury? The short answer is yes. If you have the right attorney who knows how to bring that claim under Georgia law and get the proper evidence involved in order to bring that claim all the way to trial. So at a high level, in Georgia, in 99.9% of cases, you're going to need to prove that there was some sort of physical impact or physical injury to somebody that eventually resulted in a mental illness or mental injury. So my example is if you are walking down the road and you happen to see a horrible, traumatic car wreck, but you just see that car wreck, you're not involved in any way. While you may very well develop trauma, PTSD from seeing that car wreck, under Georgia law, that claim is almost always going to be barred from being brought to a jury because you were not physically impacted by the actual event, even though there are real mental damages there. On the other hand, if you were a person inside one of those cars and part of that car wreck, you are going to have a claim for mental illness or mental injury arising out of that car wreck. And in order to bring that claim, you're going to need to have a medical professional who will not only diagnose you with one of those mental illnesses or mental injuries, whether it be depression, anxiety, PTSD, any of those sorts, but that medical professional will need to also testify that the car wreck, the physical impact, that event, caused your mental illness. So it's not enough that somebody just has a mental illness, but it's going to need medical testimony to say that there is a link between the actual physical event, such as a car wreck in our example here, that is caused by and resulted in a mental injury. So again, it's very important that you have attorneys who understand these claims and know how to bring them on your behalf. And we do hope that if you are ever in a serious car wreck or experiencing any sort of physical injury or personal injury, that you do reach out to Butler Kahn to see if we can help. Thank you.